Alright, so if you picked up a new iPhone 17 or iPhone Air, this video is for you guys if you need a new screen protector to protect your investment. DBrand has been around for a number of years. This video is not even sponsored by them. I love their products. I purchased this with my own money. I want to show you how quick and easy it is to install the Prism screen protectors on these phones. They come in at about $39, about 40 bucks or so, and they do come with two screen protectors. Obviously, this one here is for the Pro Max. Pretty simple packaging. The idiot-proof screen protector, as they call it, it's pasted all over this. And then you're going to have the iPhone Air. Interesting that they messed up. Robots, get your stuff together. It is not the iPhone 17 Air, but rather just the iPhone Air. So let me go ahead and grab my knife, and we will open this up, and we'll start with the Pro Max. Let's slide that to the side for now, move this over, and go ahead and cut this open. Okay. And then we should be able to simply pop this down. And there we go. So here they are. Looks very good, actually. There's one already installed here, and the extra is going to be right underneath. And you do have a QR code to scan for instructions. And this is also where you'll find your cleaning cloth, your squeegee, and your alcohol pads. So let's go ahead and pop that down. Take the squeegee out, the cloth, and put this right back in. Okay, so let's actually read this really quick. First things first, it does say easy installation, scratch proof, ultra precise, zero dust, no fingerprints, and obviously it does come with two. Let's go ahead, and we'll actually use our Air on this one. Let's go ahead and actually scan those instructions. Okay, so this is a video on YouTube from actually a year ago, yeah, about their 2.0 DBrand Prism screen protector. We're not going to follow this. It is pretty simple, and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. First step is always to power down your device. So we're going to go ahead and do that just to make it easy. Okay. Now, you're going to want to get one of those alcohol wipes ready. Get this open. And give it a quick wipe down. Okay. We're going to go ahead now, get that alcohol wipe, and just kind of go over it really quick. Make sure we got any little goo that might have been on it. Perfect. Plug that to the side. Take our cloth again, just dry it off. Okay. Looks pretty good to me. And you're simply going to line this up just like that. And you do want to make sure the pull tab is at the bottom with the little pyramid on top. And you are simply just going to, let me go ahead and do it this way, pull down. And then swipe. And wait about 10 seconds. Technically you can wait 5, and then you'll be good to go. 2, 3, 4, 5. And just lift up. And that is it. So what you'll notice, not uncommon, there will be some bubbles in it. That's where the squeegee comes in handy. You're just going to want to push those towards the edge and out of the way. And then also, over the coming days, this will actually go away naturally over time. So we have that one little one left. Probably will pop back up again, I would imagine. Yep. There we go. So it's as easy as that, and you have a fully protected iPhone 17 Pro Max screen. We'll get this baby turned back on, and we will rinse and repeat with the Air. So we're going to go ahead and move all this out of the way and do the same thing here. Cut this open. Okay. Exact same setup. Not surprised by that. Let's go ahead and turn this baby off really quick. Power off. We'll just go ahead and use our alcohol wipes from the other pack. Set this down again, pyramid facing up, right on top of it. And just pull down and swipe. Okay, give it another couple seconds. And lift up. And there we go. The next one is done. We'll squeegee it a little bit to try to get rid of some of those bubbles. But again, don't worry or be surprised if you do see them. In the first day or two, they will go away and it will settle. Okay, so there we go. Couple little bubbles at the bottom and on the sides, but again, not to worry, they will go away, usually by the next day. And there you have it. Those are the DBrand Prism 2.0 screen protectors. I'll leave a link down below. We do appreciate it if you use them. It definitely helps out the channel. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.